Hey everyone, Aphid here. Welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. This video, I'm going to be unboxing a wireless hygrometer thermometer, and this is going to be going into my greenhouse here. It was sent to me by Vivosun, and I really appreciate them sending it to me. Obviously, the video is sponsored by them. But we're going to give it an honest review and see how it works. I mean, it's just a wireless hygrometer thermometer. It can't be that complex. I just hope it works. From the greenhouse. The greenhouse is probably 50 feet away from my house, and then it's got to go through a wall. Oh good, they use bubble packaging. So it actually is in there. Well, kind of. If you look in here, packers out there, you know, it's still at the bottom. I know it's not moving around, but it's still at the bottom. Well, let's see what's in here. Maybe there's some extra packaging. It shows you what it is here. Here's the wireless unit. This one goes out to the greenhouse. This one, obviously, you read it from inside your house. Let's see. Well, obviously, you could switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Trend indicator. Yeah, that's cool. It's probably like the Min and Max. It's got a backlight, wireless. Yeah, of course. Big screen. We'll see about that. Oh, cool. It comes with plenty of batteries. I was worried about that, whether it was going to come with any. We've got two sets here. Excellent. Alright, here's the main unit here. This one is going inside the house. And it does have the foam protectant, so if it is getting knocked around, it won't get messed up. And that's not so good, huh? And we got our instruction manual here. Vivosun, bring green to life, and it gives you some QR codes if you guys want to ever scan that in. Okay. Oh, here's the I always open these up backwards. Thermometer instruction manual. Okay. Specifications. -4 Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's hope we don't hit those. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's indoor. Outdoor is -40 to 158. Let's also hope we don't hit those, especially. Resolution, not bad. Hey, humidity resolution is 1%. That's really not bad at all. 433 megahertz. It's not going to interfere with any of your cordless phones because we don't use that anymore. We're in the gigahertz range, I think. I haven't had a landline phone in forever, so I don't know. 12 seconds auto off, so it's not going to waste a bunch of battery. You don't have to turn it off yourself. Exact value and transmitting the signal after 30 minutes. So the outdoor sensor starts reading the exact value and transmitting. Okay, so it takes 30 minutes to calibrate, possibly, or I'm going to hook it up and have to wait 30 minutes. We'll find out. Hopefully we don't have to go to the helpful hint section. And let's take a look at the actual sensor unit here. Nice packaging, by the way, Vivosun. Appreciate it. It's got the logo right here. You could see some venting down in there. That's your intake. There's no venting up top. That's just aesthetics. Little button. Well, I'm sorry, a little LED light to indicate whether it's working, I bet. And there's a mount on the back that you can take off. That wasn't that hard. I bet it snaps in real nice. Mount that on whatever, hang it. You could probably just put a screw right down the middle too. It's not really heavy. Okay, there's some buttons on the inside here, and here's where our batteries are. Geez, these batteries, man. So let's see what these buttons are. Channel 1, 2, and 3. So it could probably have, if you have more than one of these going, you don't want them to crosstalk, so you can have up to 3 going, it seems. TX button. I guess that's the force transmit, possibly. We'll find out. Okay, so I see on the other side. Jesus thing. Okay. It started flashing red. It stopped flashing red. So, let's move on to the rest. It's got a nice plastic protective cover on it. And there's our batteries. Now I gotta do this again with the batteries. I mean, honestly, it's good packaging. They're shrunk wrapped, but they're a pain to get into. I should just use my tool. It'd be a lot easier. There we go. Get that hooked up here. I'm gonna leave the protective coating on for now. Okay, so what we've got here, it looks like there's two magnets. Two nice hefty magnets. They're just ceramic magnets. They're not the strongest. And it's got little things so you can. Alright, it's all hooked up. It's out in the greenhouse. I cut real quick and ran out there, threw it out in the greenhouse. And the in and out's starting to warm up, and I blew on it. The humidity is starting to go down from that. We can clear that. And that's just giving us like instantaneous readings of it. Or it's giving us our min-max. We gotta hold it to clear. There we go. Now we're getting a new meat reading right here. But yeah, that'll just keep swapping it. And our backlight works great. Celsius to freedom units works great. Channel sync, where you can go from channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. It's on channel 3 here, so you can actually have 3 units all at on this one. So if you had 3/10, whatever, this would work out great for you. I'm gonna go inside my house and verify that it works now. Let's see how it does. Okay, so I'm inside the house here. I'm getting 9 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 relative humidity, and the greenhouse is way out there. If I can zoom in on it. There we are. And the Vivosun thing is approximately right in the center. Still reading. So this is working really well, and if you need to monitor your greenhouse grow tent, just the outside, I'd highly recommend this. I'm going to be using this extensively all summer and winter long, and I really want to say that I appreciate Vivosun. Thank you for sending this to me, and I'm finally an Amazon associate, so I'm going to put a referral link, and if you want to help support the channel, please use that if you're going to buy this really nice tool here. So thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you stop by again. If you like, give me a like, and if you would, give me a subscribe. Have a good day. See you later.